Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace GMC Sierra headlights. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a trim removal tool to safely detach panels. Always have your new headlight assemblies or bulbs on hand before starting. For your protection, wear safety glasses and gloves. A flathead screwdriver can assist with prying, and a pick tool is handy for those hard-to-reach clips. Being prepared makes the process much smoother. Now let's get to removing the old headlights. Begin by opening your truck's hood and carefully removing any plastic shroud clips. Next, locate and remove the 10mm bolts that secure the grille. With those removed, gently pull the grille outward to release its retaining clips. You'll then find 10mm bolts holding the headlight assembly itself. Remove these. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab, and carefully pull the old headlight assembly out of its housing. With the old headlights out, it's time for the new ones. If your new headlight didn't come with them, transfer any rubber weather seals or bumper valance fasteners from the old unit. Next, connect the electrical harness to your new headlight assembly, ensuring a secure connection. Carefully align the new headlight assembly into its mounting position, starting with the grille side first. Secure it using the 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Finally, reinstall the grille, making sure all clips snap into place and all bolts are tightened. After installation, it's crucial to perform some final checks. Turn on your truck and test all headlight functions, including low beam, high beam, and turn signals, to ensure everything works correctly. For proper aiming, park your truck 25 feet from a wall on a level surface. You can adjust the headlight beams using a Phillips head screwdriver in the designated adjuster holes. Aim for the beam's cutoff to be about 2½ inches lower than the headlight's height at the bumper. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.